Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are working with Supernova Hair. This is what the lace frontal looks like. It's supposed to be a medium brown, but it looks slightly transparent, which is obviously really good, as it means it will melt into the skin really well. We're starting off with my stylist, Remy Lide. She is sewing on the elastic band onto the wig, which will result in the frontal laying down really flat. Then she's going to place the wig on my head and she's going to cut out the excess lace. This is her method of doing it. So she cuts out the excess lace first and then she glues the wig down. Her glue of choice is Bold Hold. This is the one in the blue bottle. I normally use the other one. I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember what it's called, but this Bold Hold is really good because it literally stays on forever, honey. She only put one layer because I was literally only wearing the wig for a few days and I didn't want it to be difficult to take off, but that one layer alone was so good. It stuck onto my head like for dear life. And it actually came off really easily. I just used a little bit of oil and rubbed it onto my my skin and it slid right off. None of the products was left on my edges, which I really appreciated because that's one of the reasons why I hate lace glue, because it sticks onto my edges and cuts out all my edges. But this Bold Hold was pretty good, so I'm definitely probably going to get it for myself. So here Remy's just taking off the ear tabs just to make sure that the wig lays really well around my ears, and then she's going to cut off the excess lace and then lay down the rest of the ear tabs. So in regards to the lace quality was really good. It wasn't too thin and it wasn't too thick. It laid on my head really well. It hid really well. The color, she didn't really need to put anything on the lace itself. I believe she didn't put any foundation or any tint or anything like that on there, and it melted into my skin really well. So you guys are going to see at the end how flawless it looked. So if you want like an extra flawless finish, of course you can add a lace tint or you can add a bit of foundation that's close to your skin tone, but I don't really think that's necessary with this lace frontal. Literally, as you guys can see, she literally placed it on and it melted right into my skin, which is obviously a plus. I was really intrigued with what lace glue she was using, so I was like, what is that, girl? Because I can feel like that thing was not going anywhere. So you guys can see Remy is using like a lollipop. She's using like a lollipop stick to place the lace on my skin. She's not using any fingers. This is just to make sure that like her I guess like the warmth from her fingers don't transfer onto the glue and don't make it messy, like doesn't make it messy. So that's a little tip if you're looking into doing your hair yourself. I definitely learn from these videos a lot because I'm not very good at frontals, and I really hail everyone that does hair or frontals because honestly it's so hard. But if you want to like get little tips from this video, literally just watch it. It's so great. I personally go back and watch these videos because it helps my frontal application, because I've been making so many mistakes. Especially when it comes to the ear tabs. The ear tabs are so hard to do. The sides are the places that are more likely to lift first, but yeah, Remy did it really well. She literally just took her time. It's all about patience. It's literally all about patience. Took her time and she laid that mug right on there. Right, so this is what the frontal is looking like so far. Everything is all glued down. Now it's time to add the baby hairs. I'm not the hugest fan of baby hairs, but Remy did it so well. Like, she literally made it look like actual baby hairs. It looked really natural. So what she's doing here, she's just like taking out portions of the hair from the frontal and then cutting them out like with, I think they're like brows scissors, I don't know, and then cutting it out. And then she's going to use her Eco Styler gel to lay it down. This is a trick that I'm going to start using as well, because I normally use the Got To Be gel, but I feel like the Eco Styler made it look really, really natural. So she's going to spray a bit of hairspray and then use her hot comb to lay down the front portion of the frontal, just so all the hairs are out the way. So when it comes to styling the baby hairs, we have no issues and no hair sticking up or in the way of the baby hairs. And the hairspray she used was from Tresemme. I'm also going to start using this trick as well, because I feel like it made the frontal portion look really, really shiny and really neat. So yeah, I'm going to do this. And yeah, like I said, for the baby hairs, she used the Eco Styler, which made the hair really, really soft. It wasn't crunchy, it wasn't hard, it didn't feel uncomfortable around my hairline. It just felt really like natural. So she's going to lay that down for about a few minutes, maybe like 10 minutes, and then style the actual hair. So she put curls in the hair with her Babyliss curling wand, and then she's going to come back to style the baby hairs. So for baby hair, she's just using this really cool baby hair comb. You can get it from the hair shop. I have one as well. And then she's literally just slicking it back and creating little like patterns and stuff. She really knows what she's doing, girl, because honestly, I'd be useless at this stuff, but I really need to learn again, because honestly, like, frontals have been a myth for me this year, but I want to get back into them because I feel like they look really, really flawless. But on special, you know, special days or special nights when I'm going out, not every day thing, because nobody has time for that. These are what the bundles are looking like so far. Super shiny, super healthy, super good quality. I love this hair by Supernova. Oh my gosh, did you see that? And this is what the frontal portion is looking like. Absolutely flawless. And yeah, it just looks gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you to Supernova for sending over the hair, and I'll leave all the details for the hair down below. Bye guys.